The microbiome, your gut's hidden world.
Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, known collectively as the microbiome. These tiny organisms help digest food, support your immune system, and even influence your mood. Because of their vital role, scientists are keen to study how different foods and additives, including artificial sweeteners, might affect their delicate balance.
What are artificial sweeteners?
Artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin, are chemicals used to replace sugar in foods and drinks. They're much sweeter than sugar, but have little or no calories. People turn to artificial sweeteners to manage weight or blood sugar. But there's growing curiosity about how they might impact gut health.
Research links to gut bacteria changes.
Studies in both animals and humans have found that some artificial sweeteners can alter the composition of gut bacteria. For example, research suggests that saccharin and sucralose may shift the balance of certain bacterial groups, though not everyone is affected the same way. These changes could influence metabolism and digestion over time.
Potential health effects.
Altering gut bacteria might impact blood sugar control, weight management, and even immune responses. Some research reports that these changes could increase the risk of glucose intolerance in some individuals. However, the effects vary depending on the person, sweetener type, and how much is consumed.
What's the verdict?
While some artificial sweeteners can affect gut bacteria, the science is still evolving. Not everyone reacts the same way, and for most people, occasional use appears safe. If you have concerns about gut health, moderation and variety in your diet are recommended. Consulting a healthcare professional can help guide your choices.